Welcome to this instructional video for recruiters on how to search resumes using Corporate Gray Online. Corporate Gray can help you find quality candidates to fill your company's needs. Corporate Gray Online has resumes of thousands of military experienced job seekers, many of them with DoD security clearances. To begin, go to www.corporategray.com. Recruiters can try out a free resume search before signing up for our service by clicking the Try a Resume Search button. You will see how many resumes meet your search criteria, but you will not see the candidate information without a Corporate Gray Online subscription. If you have resume search privileges, click the Login button at the upper right and log in using your username and password. Upon logging in, you are taken to your dashboard page where you can view job fairs you are registered for, recent messages, and resumes you have saved. You can also view and edit your account here. To begin searching resumes, click Search Resumes in the menu bar. On the right side, you'll see the search filters. If your company is a federal contractor, for OFCCP purposes, you will need to fill in a job code, which is your internal requisition number for the job you are trying to fill. You can search by keyword or by the candidate's last name. When searching by keywords, you can use quotes to search on a phrase, such as program manager. You can also use Boolean and or, all in caps, to search on multiple keywords. For example, manager and logistics. Scroll down to see additional filters. You can filter your search by state, by rank, by branch of service, by security clearance, by education level, by resume posted date, and by willingness to relocate. And if you've attended a Corporate Gray job fair in the past, you can also search by job fair attendance. To select more than one option from the list, hold down the Control key as you click each selection. To deselect, hold the Control key and click again. Once you've selected your search criteria, click the Search button. The results will appear to the left for you to scroll through. This search yielded 7,162 results. For the purpose of this instructional video, I've blurred the candidate names and contact information. To see more information on a candidate, click on the candidate's name or click the View button. You can also save the candidate to your dashboard to view later, or send the candidate a message. I'll click the View button to see more information. This view shows you what the candidate included in their Corporate Gray Online profile. You'll see the candidate's contact information and their LinkedIn URL and Skype name if they've included them. You can download the resume. You can forward the resume to someone else in your company. Maybe you want to share the resume with another recruiter or hiring manager. You can download their cover letter if they've included it, and you can send a message to the candidate. Click the Contacted box if you've already contacted this candidate. That will signal to you the next time this candidate comes up in your search that you've contacted them. Other recruiters at your company will also see that you contacted this candidate. Click the Back button on your browser to go back to the list of results. You can continue scrolling through the results or modify your resume search by adjusting the filters to the right and clicking the Search button again. If you need more assistance with using Corporate Gray Online, scroll to the bottom of any web page and click the Help link. This will open the Corporate Gray Online help page on our blog and give you more information about using the website. Corporate Gray Online has additional features to assist you in recruiting military candidates. You can post your job openings, which the job seekers using our website can search for. You can register for our job fairs to meet with military candidates in person, and you can advertise in the Corporate Gray series book titled The Military to Civilian Transition Guide, which is given to many military members leaving the service through their local transition office. If you'd like more information about Corporate Gray's military recruitment services, please contact Carl Savino at carl@corporategray.com. Thank you for using Corporate Gray Online to find and hire transitioning military members and veterans.